Several minors who are members of the Daula Islamia Maute group are now in custody of the Philippine Army after they were arrested in an encounter. Following the incident, the Philippine National Police continues to coordinate with the local government of Lanao del Sur to combat the child fighter recruitment. As our Joshua Garcia reports.
In a joint operation conducted by the PNP CIDG and the Philippine Army in Lanao del Sur, 3 minors who are members of the Daula Islamia Maute group were arrested. According to PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III, the group has been using minors. During the encounter, 3 other individuals were killed, including a woman. Authorities were attempting to serve warrants of arrest for cases of homicide and murder. However, Amerol Usman, the alleged leader of the group, along with others, escaped during the armed encounter.
Sa ngayon ay may 3 tayo na aresto. Nasa custody ng Army na turn over natin sa DSWD for the proper intervention. Ever since naman, naging part na ng modus operandi ng Maute ang pag-recruit ng mga child fighters. Kasi nga, parating na sa labanan, sa field, ang ating mga tauhan ay, siyempre, ibang pagtingin pag bata ang nakakaharap. Kaya ito ay kasuklam-suklam na gawain ng Maute.
He added that the PNP continues to identify those responsible for recruiting minors in order to file charges against them. Following the incident, Torre emphasized that this is a whole-of-government approach, which includes not only law enforcement operations but also internal security operations. He also said that coordination continues with local governments and schools to prevent such recruitment activities.
Yung mga vulnerable sectors natin, pag nalapitan nila dyan, may sistema sila kung paano mag-recruit, talaga na-expect natin may makukuha sila. Kung kaya't ang kasama na sa ating mga preemptive measures, sinisiguro natin na ma-debunk natin ang kanilang mga propaganda. Maipakita sa ating mga kababayan na itong mga ginagawa nila ay walang kabutihang idululot.
He said this includes bringing chaos and destruction to communities. Torres stated that their assessment of the Maute group is ongoing.
Sa ngayon naman, ang gusto nating mawala sa kanila ay ang mass-based support. At nakakita naman natin na educate naman ang mga tao. At kaya tayo na-enkwentro dahil sa mga impormasyon binibigay mismo ng community kung saan sila gumagalaw. Kaya nakahanda kami sa kung ano man ang gusto nilang gawin. Pero sa ngayon, preemptive tayo. Kahit na wala silang gawin, hahabulin natin sila sa mga krimen na dati na nilang nagawa.
Recovered from the 6 suspects were various firearms, grenades, ammunition, ISIS flags, and several documents detailing their plans. Investigations into these items are ongoing to thwart any possible future attacks. The PNP assures the public that the situation is under control and that the group no longer has the capability to launch large-scale operations similar to the Marawi siege. Joshua Garcia from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.